guys, I did a video before plugging this into the computer and the camera angle was way off. I'm just a retard noob when it comes to this stuff anymore. Alright, so now what I've figured out that, alright, this thing is on, so let's go ahead and plug it in. Let's make sure you get the proper, I hate these little connectors. Red to red, black to black, more or less. It's got a little groove that'll lock in there for you, so be careful on that. Okay, you see now we're blinking. Let's let this hang off the table here. That way if it does start up, it doesn't rip the freaking battery cables off. So you see it blinking, and then you'll see when I turn my transmitter on, I went into the transmitter and set it all up on AFHDS2A for the binding protocol. So now I turn it on. That's what I get. So my point here is being, you still have to hook this to beta flight before you fly, because it won't arm. There's no arming switch on it, so there's no way to arm it. And that's exactly what Chris Riley told me from day one about these. So that's why when I thought, wow, you know what, I could buy it and it'll just bind to my transmitter, I can fly it in acro. Only if I want to hook up different switches, horizon and all that, would I have to hook the beta flight. And here's the dilemma. That's the problem. So you still have to hook this thing to beta flight before you can fly this drone. That's my issue. It is what it is. You have to do it to go in and set the switches. You got to set the arm switch, I was told. So if you don't do beta flight, you're not flying this. Cut dry. Just how it goes. There's my video, and yeah, just like I figured. I'll have to wait until Justin comes down this weekend and hook it to beta flight and go ahead and set everything up. I thought that whole point was not the point, but anyway, that's what it is. I don't know why I thought, and I know some people's probably thinking, well, you told me you know how to do this. No, I told you I had someone that knew how to do this. I'm new into this. I'm getting into the race drones. There's my baby right there. Fly. You know what I mean? I can fly. The tuning part, it's the part that I struggle. I'm not struggling with, I'm learning. So yeah, I'm trying to learn as I go. I just feel like if you didn't buy this and plug it in and bind it and fly it to that, then let people know that. Do what you had to do. Show a video of exactly steps you have to do. And when I do get there, I will do that. I promise you guys, I will do that for everybody else that wants to get this. You're going to know exactly what you're getting into. Okay? Because that's one thing I always said, I will never, ever lead no one wrong. And I don't want to lead no one wrong now. It seriously is. I talked to Dan Drone Workshop. He got me to put it to the AFDA, all that good stuff. I thought I was going to mess up my transmitter when I did that, so I made sure of that, and I go back to my wizard, and it does bind up to the wizard and all that. I do have to go in and select the model, so I am a little bit further than where I was on the first video. But the point being is, you still have to hook this thing to beta flight, or you will not be able to fly even in full-blown acro. I cannot get it to arm, turn props, nothing. Any switch I try, pulling the switches out, it doesn't work. So there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if I'm confusing, I'm sorry.